Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on this Thursday, February 6th, we can see on the chart behind me the Nasdaq 100 is trading higher after hitting fresh all-time highs earlier in the session. That's with China cutting tariffs by 50% on $75 billion in U.S. goods. Those tariffs had been implemented in September 2019 in response to U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods put in place at that time. Hopes of a coronavirus containment and Wednesday's encouraging U.S. economic data may also be helping. Note the all-important January jobs data will be released at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. On our next chart here, let's take a look at some earnings plays. Q4 reports have largely been in line with large cap tech leading the way, and we're seeing that as Cognizant, the chart behind me, as it leads the Nasdaq 100 in performance this afternoon after beating on earnings and revenue yesterday after the close, thanks to growth in its digital business. Recall Nasdaq 100 tech giants Apple, Microsoft, and Intel all had standout quarters too. Finally, our chart behind me, Tesla is back in the fast lane and back in the green following a roller coaster ride of trading this week. Just look at this 5-day chart. On January 30th, that's last Thursday, the stock closed at 640, popped as high as 968 on Tuesday, February 4th, and then closed at 735 just yesterday. As of now, it's trading at about 760. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.